Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make this man on a bicycle. Rotate this handle and watch how the man cycles. If you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, on an A4 card paper, draw a person, or you may also download a template that you can customize from the description below. HW stands for Happy Wobby. And draw a pair of shoes. Then trace and color it. Then cut out your drawing. Add some details at the back too. On an A4 card paper, draw a bicycle. You may also find the bicycle template in the description below. Make a mirror image copy of the bicycle. Add some color and cut it. Add glue and stick them together, except for the head tube. Cut out the circle to make a hole. Then take a small piece of paper. This is about 9.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Roll it to make a paper stick for the handlebar. This handlebar is 10 centimeters. Add some colors, bend it in half, add glue, and stick it in the head tube, just like this. We'll be using floral wire, which is about 36 centimeters in length. We need 2 wires since they're too thin. Fold it in half and twist it together. The wire is now 18 centimeters. Measure and bend 3 centimeters from the tip of the wire. Then, measure 1 centimeter, bend it to form an L shape. Then measure 2 centimeters to form the U shape, and another 1 centimeter for the space. Repeat it to make the same shape. Then press down or twist the other U shape as shown. For the stand, take 2 pieces of 275 ml paper cups. Cut around the lid of one paper cup, add glue, and stick it inside the other paper cup. Trim about 1.5 centimeters on one side. Gently fold the sides of the paper cup. Measure 1.5 centimeters from the lid and poke a hole on each side. Then trim the other side of the cup as well. We need another paper stick to make the handle. This handle is 6 centimeters. Insert the wire into the paper cup's hole. Add glue on the right side of the wire and insert it into the handle. Insert at least 1 centimeter and bend it. Bend the other side too to secure the wire. Fold in 1 centimeter of each foot. Add glue on the tip and stick it as shown. Make sure not to put glue on the wire. Slightly bend the knees and the hips. Make a crease to find the middle point and make a slit for the back and the front. Take the bicycle and place it just as shown. Insert the tires in the slits. Add glue and stick the person to the seat. Bend the arms, add glue on the hands, and stick it on the handlebar. Make a slit under the bracket to insert the wire. Apply glue in the slits to secure the bicycle. Test it out if it works. Finally, we can now stick the shoes.
And there you have it, your very own DIY Man on the Bicycle craft. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!